In Laravel, do you know that you can get the current authenticated user information just by typing auth? So here I am logging to a simple Laravel Breeze dashboard. Now let's see diadem the information of the current authenticated user. So I type diadem and in auth user. So if I refresh, as you can see, they are showing all the fields. Name, email, password, remember token, all, and this can be used for relationship as well. So here if you have a user with some posts, let's say, so then you can get that post just by typing post. It will return the post of the currently authenticated user. As you can see, you can get individual as well by, if you want to just return the name, just type name here and refresh. As you can see, it returns the name. And now something for email, but for ID you can do it directly from here. So if I save and refresh, as you can see, it returns one. So this is the ID of the currently authenticated user.